not developed yet, you know.
Paul Lamb has an all-American success story. He came to California as a refugee on a boat from Vietnam. Here in Orange County, he's built a thriving business to support himself and his family.
We make very high-quality parts, very accurate.
His high-tech machine shop turns these blocks of steel, aluminum, and titanium into parts for Lockheed Martin's F-35 fighter jet.
If the government cut so deep into the F-35, it affects us tremendously. I have like 70% of workload at Lamb is F-35.
An inspection last week turned up a crack in the turbine of an F-35 at Edwards Air Force Base. Add to that the across-the-board federal spending cuts, and Lamb is now knocking on doors at oil drilling and medical equipment companies.
We try to balance it out between defense and commercial.
From giants like Boeing and Northrop Grumman down to small high-tech subcontractors, business owners are doing the same thing, trying to diversify in hopes of riding out the government cuts.
Defense companies are trying to grow another limb here, another arm to keep their revenues up and keep going as a company until there's a change in the political winds.
Paul Weisbrich keeps a close eye on the aerospace industry for D.A. Davidson and Company. He says if military leaders have done their jobs right, they probably already stocked up in anticipation of the cuts.
If I were them, I would certainly have made sure that I have enough MRAPs, enough medium caliber bullets, enough mortars.
Meanwhile, defense contractors have been preparing by waiting on expansion plans, postponing new hires, and saving where they can.
And I wish that the Pentagon or the government, budget doesn't touch too deep into the defense contract because it affects millions of workers.
Lamb bought a new, larger warehouse last year, but with government cuts inevitable and the F-35 temporarily grounded, now he's wondering if he'll ever be able to use that new space. Raquel Maria Dillon, The Associated Press, Garden Grove, California.